Do you also watch the Skibidi Toilet series? If yes, then make sure to watch this video from start to end. So look, in the Skibidi Toilet universe, the most powerful characters are Titan Speakerman, Titan Cameraman and Titan TV Man, and all of them fight against the Skibidi Toilet monsters. But have you ever wondered how all this Skibidi Toilet begin, and how did our heroes like TV Man, Radio Man, Speaker Man and Titan Cameraman come into existence? Well, let's find out in today's video.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a news report coming to you amidst the tragic backdrop of global warfare. We are here to bring you the latest updates.
Unidentified toilets of unknown origin are currently appearing worldwide, presenting a serious menace. Authorities are swiftly advising evacuation.
So biggest question is, so where did the Skibidi Toilet actually come from? Many years ago, the government was secretly conducting an experiment. They wanted to create a superhuman who could be powerful and intelligent. But during that experiment, scientists accidentally created a strange creature. Its brain was extremely powerful, but there was a one condition: its only had a brain. It didn't have a complete body, only a head. The scientists had not fully developed its body yet, but before they could complete its body, the creature escaped from the laboratory. The security there was extremely tight, so it used a toilet to escape. For thousands of years, it remained hidden inside the sewer system. Its powerful brain kept evolving over time, and slowly it started understanding human and their behavior. But the Skibidi Toilet had humans, because while it was beginning created in the lab, it was listening to the scientists. And that's when it realized that human intentions were not good. And that very day, it made a decision: I will create my own world, a world of Skibidi Toilet. Years later, it regenerated itself and created many more Skibidi Toilet. Among them, the most powerful one was G-Man. G stand for genius. But eventually, even stronger Skibidi Toilet were created. Now, seeing this, creature had no bodies, turned toilet seat into their bodies. And then one day, the Skibidi Toilet launched an attack on humanity. Chaos spread everywhere. Humanity was in danger. Even the special forces of every country fell against them. After that, the government made a decision. If they wanted to stop this monster, then they could have to create a monster of their own. In the same lab where the Skibidi Toilet monster was created, another experiment was taking place. And that experiment was Cameraman. Cameraman was a humanoid creature. Its body looked human, but it had no brain of its own. It could only see through the camera attached to its head, and whatever it say, it transmitted thoughts visible to the scientists controlling it. But at that time, many cameramen were needed to fight against the Skibidi Toilet. So the government forcefully captured many soldiers and converted them into cameramen. A dangerous experiment was performed on them. Any soldier who became a cameraman was no longer human. They had no identity, no brain, and no memories. They were nothing more than fighting machine who powered Skibidi Toilet under the commands of scientists. But cameraman alone was not enough to defeat the Skibidi Toilet. And later, TV Man and Speaker Man entered the battle. Now I am going to tell you where this strange creature actually came from. One day during a battle between cameraman and Skibidi Toilet, a Skibidi Toilet crashed into the house of a man named John. John survived, but every member of his family died. The Skibidi Toilet also died, but a radioactive liquid leaked out of his body and spread throughout John's house. That liquid affected the television inside the house, and somehow the TV came alive. Well, not exactly alive, it became conscious. It started thinking, and then it realized it had intelligence but no body. So it made a deal with John. Even though John now this deal would cost his life, but he still agreed because he had nothing left to lose anymore. John had the body but no knowledge, and the TV had all the knowledge and intelligence. And together they started working on a project. And in the end, John sacrificed his body to the TV. And that's how the very first TV man was born. Over time, it kept evolving, and today we know him as Titan TV Man. Even today, he continues fighting to revenge John's family. and he helps cameraman and speakerman destroying Skibidi toilet. Because he has a special power using the screen attached to his head, he can release a psychic beam that destroying Skibidi toilet instantly. But now you might ask, how was Speakerman born? Basically, Speakerman was created because of a mistake. A scientist wanted to create a device that could completely wipe out the Skibidi toilet. But during the experiment, something went terribly wrong. Instantly destroying the Skibidi toilet, the machine ruined the scientist's own life. The scientist's body fused together with a speaker and that gave birth to a strange creature, which people later called Speakerman or even Wooferman. So brother, all of this is one side of the story. But the real issue in this, the Skibidi toilet have spread destruction all over the world. And now humans alone are no longer capable of stopping them. Now only this strange creature can save humanity. I know many people are going to comment, bro, this is just a story, none of this is real. And yes, that is true. All this Skibidi toilet and creature are fictional characters. We have only seen them fighting inside video. But whether a character is real or fictional, every character always has a big story behind it.